Lando baby.
Sraka. Sraka banabu ay tomorrow ya wait me. Uto so ha se banabu tomorrow ya wait.
Ti wi le be wait.
Kabe ho.
Ya man pon ko le to ne.
Kan ye hadi.
Dawo ya dole mun ka to ke de man.
Nan so ke bota le hoto to ba di ta.
Anya ko me man le.
Dalle.
Se wote ngan botla la ba to tora do eta ba.
Ini mai bato me. Yo na ka ke na ba. No so me ka ba. No ka ke na ke lam na ma ai de. Ti lor me ka ke lam no na yeti lor.
Wallahi ya ke lam na.
Ai mai me. Yemba hobone umeka eti zineka tu haba kelina atingela tu pari lo koya tu watne lo ile kana kemo wal mai kana ya wala yeta wala dikide ya wala yel dikide
But unless you are far or
let's see more
problem never. By you be money mass. Them say one prefer ya adit them. Ya oh bande.
Ora halasina.
It's better living
No size.
You let it by the night.
Ah, siru.
Get low, let's have a moment.
Kasongo ye. Mambali nanga.
Why you let me?
Hey, ya hiwa. Ba the monkey
Kasongo mbona wewe. Songa libala. Oh yeah.
Mal to mal pano
la ba ko pana ba. Basam ko pana. Da ko nati ti ba ti banti ti no so yilla.
Debe yeto wa jaka.
Do la men ti ma no ti ba.
No wa da won perwe to pedi di ko yu me fa.
God have mercy.
Ina na ti kurkudu malaka. Wow. Something like that. You come and stand here. Come. All of them. Yes, come forward. Yeah. Pussy say. Yeah. Shraka. Bat la baba. Yeah. Mara. Good afternoon. Yeah. You so afternoon. I think everything is good. Yeah. Wow. This house is my house. Yes, it's my small house.
You're my mouth of family.
Oh, I'm a FRAFRA.
Oh,
child.
Yeah, come on, FRAFRA.
But got mom, but for fun. Yeah, so anytime I want to pick the language not come. That's why English, you understand? So this house is my house.
Our house.
Yeah, small house.
Are you brothers?
Yes.
Yeah. Why don't we go inside so that we rest?
Masa.
Wow.
Security
boy.
Yeah, my security boy. Let's go in there. Hey, Baba. You know, my water.
I'm shouting at you. Why?
Hey,
what is that?
Don't mind him. Yeah, so go. Well, I ain't going to go. Yeah, what is
that? You're security boy. Why are you shouting at the owner of the house? Hang on, the owner of the house.
Yes, owner of the house. Yes, the owner of the house.
Yes.
From where?
It's their house.
But you hear me about so you.
But then you here to buy it, but you
Baba Kia so much country. Something like this Oldmans can build this house. You can't you man is get you put a nya pala. So put a nya to big pala. Temple couple and body.
But you're old enough to build this house.
No.
So why are you shouting? So wait,
that's
your house.
You don't have money.
That is my house.
And you are saying that
I think you guys don't have money.
we are sorry.
Sorry by yourself.
Hey, see what they have done to us.
It's okay, we are sorry.
We are sorry. Let's go. We are sorry.
Sister,